What are the big tech companies doing about the potential shortage of energy in the future? Energy is becoming a big problem for companies like Alphabet, Amazon, and Meta that are trying to build out AI infrastructure. They are spending billions to build these data centers, but if there's no power to run them, they'll become useless. The current energy grid is becoming strained, and the government has warned they will not let the big tech companies take energy away from residential customers. Projections for U.S. utility consumption have been increasing rapidly from just 5 years ago. The projection 5 years ago was demand would increase to 2 billion megawatt hours, or MWH, by 2035, which is up from 1.9 billion megawatt hours now. However, as time goes on and more is understood about the energy needs for AI projections, well, they're rising, and it is now estimated that demand will be closer to 2.4 billion megawatt hours, a 20% increase. To try to meet the increasing demand for energy, tech companies are looking at alternative sources. Alphabet recently paid $4.75 billion along with taking on an unknown amount of debt for a renewable energy company called Intersect Power. Amazon is looking at buying a solar project with battery storage capacity in Oregon. But the concern with solar powering AI is with the constant energy needs from data centers. If there's no sun for a while, well, where do they get the energy from? The companies are also looking what are known as SMRs, which stands for small modular reactors, and yes, that would be nuclear power. This too is a major high-risk use of capital, and the price tag here can run anywhere between $500 to $600 million. I've often worried, along with many others, what if the whole AI business slows down, like when they overbuilt piping for the internet during the dot-com boom? You would then see these big tech companies take massive hits, which would negatively impact their stocks, and shareholders would see steep declines in their portfolios. I hope that doesn't happen, but this is something that an investor must be aware of. I'm Chase Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, be sure to give it a like or comment, and feel free to check out our other YouTube videos and weekly newsletter for latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.